So, it's the end of the day. So it's time for you to come and take my makeup off with me using the brand new Jazmine Beauty Cleansing Balm. Now this is a Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm that's absolutely gorgeous on the skin. It is super lightweight and has a rich texture that gently exfoliates and dissolves the makeup and impurities on your skin. It will leave you feeling clean, fresh and hydrated. It doesn't have that oily effect like some other cleansing balms do. It just feels so beautiful on the skin, as I will demonstrate in this clip. Use this, apply it AM and PM on the skin. Just gently massage it with about an almond-sized amount in circular motions. It smells absolutely gorgeous, and then you just rinse it off with warm water or a damp washcloth. And just like that, my makeup is all off for the day, and now I'm gonna go and relax for the evening. Bye guys.